folded away somehow in a place it stays day by day. My brain decays, I'd say. They're taking me away. Replacing the bouquet. Taking me days to make a decision about you. I don't know why, but it's been driving me to drink. Laughing at the blood in the kitchen sink. You didn't need to take it seriously. These people, they behave so weird to me. I'm playing a guitar right here for free, thinking it would help, but it don't help. But that's okay, 'cause I'm just a waste of space, making up phrases to escape this malaise. I think it's taken me 10 days plan out this escape. Will I ever leave this place? It wasn't such a great old happy time. I remember I hated most of mine. You put me on a train and towed the line, sending me to Greece to clean the streets. Now everything I do these days is for you, and God, that's okay. He knows that I need